Hello everyone, here I will bring news about COVID where so many people getting it again. In the early days of the pandemic, I was extremely rare to hear of people getting COVID twitch. The Omicron variant, which first emerged in late November 2021, has changed that. Were more people getting COVID again? Part of it is Omicron itself. It's better at sneaking past difference built on exposure to older and diverse variants. Part of it is a number game. So many of you have already been inferred at some point that a rising reportion of new information are a second occurrence. But getting COVID twitch in a short space of time, it's still pretty unclear. Despite the prevalence of the latest variant of Omicron, and for most people a second division is less likely to make them very ill. How likely are you to catch COVID twitch? Eventually, pretty late immunity fans and virus evolve. Most people can expect to catch the other coronavirus, such as those which cause common cold symptoms many times. Early in the pandemic, that didn't seem to be the case with COVID. Fewer than 1% of all cases recorded in the UK before November 2021 were reanimation. But Omicron difference structure give it a better chance of sneaking past the body early defense, which were based on exposure to previous COVID strain. So, the rates of reinfection have been about 10 times higher this year compared with rates seen earlier in the pandemic. How is the new variant of Omicron different? This new spring Omicron, known as BA.2, different UK infection back up to record levels. The Office for National Statistics said about 1 in 13 people in the UK had COVID In the week ending 2 April, altitude descent dropped to about 1 in 15 by the weeks ending 9 April. Spring Omicron is similar to but even more different than Christmas Omicron BI1. If you've had COVID in the past 5 months, it's likely to have been a variant of Omicron, which in turn should give you good protection against a second bout of it. The data we have so far suggests that a second Omicron infection is rare but can occur. More reinfections have been seen among younger people and those who haven't been variant. About 5 million people have had a COVID booster dose since the start of the years, with another 2 million getting their second dose. And thus of millions of youth have protection from a rash infection. About 1 in 3 of youth took COVID during the first Omicron wave. Laboratory study suggests that a combination of having had Omicron and being vaccinated could leave your body even better prepared to fight off a new infection than one infection alone. How soon can I get COVID again? It's been reported that a woman in Spain was infected with 3 weeks apart. The 31 years old healthcare works standard experiencing new symptoms and generic analysis of her positive test showed that she had been infected by 2 different viruses, Delta in late December, followed by Omicron in early January. It's hard to get good data on how often real early reinfection happen. The vast majority of second positive tests within that little time are long-lasting infection rather than second infection. So, scientists don't normally use generic analysis to hope for reinfection that early. I will cost a lot and manually so that people still hate it rather than hate it again. Studies such as the one that solves double Omicron infection are rare. Typical start the chalk taking after 3 of 5 weeks. Will the latest Omicron variant make me sicker? So far, it seems that BI2 is no more likely to put you in hospital than BI1. And even if you do test positive again, that is not the same as being sick with COVID-19. According to immunologist Prof. Eleanor Real, it just means here it's virus in your nose and throat. The protection provided by variants of hearing had a previous invention in better at stopping the virus from getting into your body and doing serious damage. That it is keeping the virus out of your nose and throat. Prof. Felix thinks if you test positive again but feel well, your mind should be whether you're being pass it on to someone who is particularly vulnerable. Infection can still land some people in hospital, particularly those with weakened immune stamina of underlying healthy condition. But despite the high number of COVID infections, the courts wave in putting fewer people in hospital that we saw in January, shown by the red area in the can above. Beneficial because of many of you now have a combination of protection from variants and COVID infection. During January peak, about 55% of people in COVID beds in English hospital were being treated mainly for their COVID. The most referred figures of 5 April say that figure is down below 45%. And the total numbers people in hospital with COVID are roughly half of what we saw in January 2021. The government has the spring booster vaccines rollout will help to up immunity of the most vulnerable and make it even harder of Omicron to cause serious illness but her its sticker on of twins. Thank you.